Good morning. It is Monday morning, 8:20 a.m. We have a lot to unpack. Tracking some weather heading our way just before Christmas by the end of this week. I have the live stream pulled up, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. But we are going to walk through that futurecast, talk about the different chances, possible snow accumulation on Friday, and also some very dangerously cold temperatures. I'm talking about feels likes. -15 to -20 is what it's going to feel like Friday into Saturday morning. So it's definitely going to be a cold Christmas and possibly a white Christmas as well. So we are going to talk about all the forecasts. But first, I do want to say good morning. It's still pretty chilly out right now. Temperatures are in the mid-20s. It's going to stay quiet Monday through Wednesday. And starting out, if you have any other further questions, you can go ahead and ask them on my Facebook page, Meteorologist Colleen Peterson. I answer the questions there, and I do post updates throughout the day. So overall, let's talk about this winter storm. Quiet forecast Monday through Wednesday. Not going to see any precipitation. I know plenty of people are going to be traveling out on the roads the end of this week. I would say Monday through Wednesday, not too bad, but once we head towards Thursday, that's when that rain will start to pick up. Thursday, right around 11 o'clock, could see some heavy downpours right around 10 p.m., and then you'll notice it'll start to switch into some winter mix, a wintry mix, into some snow bands early Friday morning. So snow is likely in the forecast, rain definitely in the forecast, and we're going to see some very cold temperatures. Also, we could see some wind gusts up to 40-50 miles per hour, so it's definitely going to be pretty nasty storm. Then it will start to clear out by Friday night into Saturday. We could see some lingering flurries, but really by 4 o'clock on Saturday, all of the weather will be done, if not earlier than that. Could see some lingering flurries, and then sunshine in the forecast for Christmas Day on Sunday. But that does not mean we will be cold. In fact, if we see snow, probably going to be still stuck to the surface. So it will be a white Christmas if we happen to see that snow accumulation, which most models are showing it being likely. Let's talk about the temperatures, because really that's going to be the main impact that we are going to see. Monday, lows in the 20s, tonight through Wednesday, and then Thursday night, 8 degrees. Friday night, 0 degrees. So it's going to be very cold setup. These are the low temperatures. Now, this is 30 degrees below average. When we factor in that wind chill value, it's going to feel much colder than this. Wind chill values -15 degrees, so it's going to be very cold. Let's go ahead and walk you through this forecast again. Wednesday, the calm before the storm, mild and calm. Thursday night, that rain will start to transition into snow. Once we head towards early Friday morning, some snow bands will set over us. Could see some heavy snow bands in that forecast with some freezing temperatures. And then we could see some light snow showers throughout the day on Friday and flurries on Saturday. So it is likely to see snow. Let's talk about that snow forecast real quick. Likely to see snow Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, how much? We're still a few days away. But if you'll notice where we are, right here in Kentucky and Indiana, snowfall accumulation, we are right on that cutoff line of seeing significant amount of snow or seeing nothing. So we're still a few days out. We aren't going to walk you through a little bit close into that accumulation just yet, but just know it is likely to see snow. As of now, it's not looking as significant as other areas such as the upper plains, Green Bay, Chicago. Really expected to see a lot of snow in northern Indiana. So that's where that forecast is pinpointing. The northern Midwest, upper plains. For us, we're kind of on that border of seeing a few inches as of now. That is subject to change. We could see more, we could see less. Of course, as the week goes on, we will give you that updated information. But still 4 to 5 days out. It's a little bit too soon to go into too much detail on the exact snow totals. Let's talk about what it's going to feel like, because this is going to be our main concern. Dangerously cold temperatures are expected by the end of the week. This model is starting out Thursday at 3 p.m. Temperatures in the low 40s. That wind chill value is highlighted in this pink number right next to it. So it's really going to be cold already over in other areas in the upper plains and upper Midwest. Once we head towards Friday morning, this is when it's going to transition into snow. Once we dip below 30 degrees from Thursday night at 11 p.m. to Friday morning, this is when the heavier snow bands could be settling in. It'll be 9 degrees out, definitely going to be cold enough for it, and it's also going to be very, very windy. We could see wind gusts up to 20, 30, even 40 miles per hour. So wind chill values will be ranging from -10 to -15, some areas a little bit colder. But look at this, Des Moines, -30 degrees with that forecast -1 degrees on Friday afternoon. So still going to be very frigid throughout the day on Friday, and then Saturday morning, even though the snow will start to lighten up at this point, it's still going to be very cold at 5 degrees with wind chill values again ranging from -15 to -20. So very breezy, very cold. You definitely want to do your preparations. Make sure to keep that water running so no pipes freeze over, because it's going to be below freezing. More of a snowstorm, not as concerned with the ice with this kind of range of temperatures. So bottom line, rain and snow likely Thursday through Friday, dangerously cold temperatures and extreme wind chill values. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour are possible. So with that being considered, we are definitely mainly concerned with the wind that will be packing with this system. So your 7-day forecast, just an overview. Winter starts on Wednesday. Isn't that timely to have a winter storm the day after the first day of winter? We have a 90% chance, if not up to 100%, on Thursday night into Friday. Rain to snow Thursday night, snow on Friday. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day look pretty nice. Let's walk through that Christmas forecast real quick. Looks like Friday, 5 p.m., we could see some lingering flurries up in the sky. 13 degrees. So Christmas Eve looks dry, cloudy, and cold. Once we head towards Sunday morning, that wind will still be there with us. Some of us could be waking up to negative temperatures on Sunday morning. So it looks to be very cold out there. And then once we head towards Sunday afternoon, sunny skies will be warming us to a whopping 15 degrees. So ranging from 15 to 20 degrees once we head towards Sunday afternoon, right around 4 o'clock. So there's our Christmas forecast. At least we don't have the crazy wind in that forecast for Santa Claus on Sunday. So not too bad once we head towards the end of the weekend. It's really Thursday and Friday that are going to be the rough commute days. Someone commented, we just have the comments. Kimberly said, I'm not ready. Hi, James. Simona, any snow in Kentucky? Yes, snow is likely Friday. Good morning, Linda. Someone has screen is not working. It looks like it's working here on my cell phone, so I would maybe try restarting your application. All right. We haven't had a white Christmas in years, which, funny enough, last year we had record heat. It was a high of 75 degrees, so it's definitely going to be a huge difference. Someone's going to Clayton, North Carolina. How's the travel looking there? Thursday morning, I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be okay for that because it's not going to start to pick up until Thursday evening and Thursday afternoon. So, again, if you have travel, I would do it early Thursday. As if you can do it earlier than Thursday, I would. This is Kentucky and Indiana, right around Louisville. Someone asked, Rosemary. So just kind of like an overview of the storm. Going to go back and finish on this one. I'm not seeing any more questions coming in, but bottom line, rain and snow likely. The exact number of how much snow accumulation is still up in the air. Could just prepare for a few inches, if not more, if not less. It really just depends where that low pressure tracks. We're not as concerned with the snow as much as the cold. It's going to be extreme wind chill values ranging from -15 to -20 degrees is what it's going to feel like to the human skin. So if you have any questions, follow me on my Facebook page, Meteorologist Colleen Peterson. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me, and make sure to keep you updated throughout the week. We have a full team of meteorologists that'll keep you updated. Stay warm out there. We have a lot of cold weather on the